Down here with a product called the Big MOO. Previously, we had a drink that was Mooala, and that was a milk-like drink. But this,
it's cheese.
it's cheese.
Yeah.
Okay, apparently this moolah is cheese, and the Big MOO, cheesy pizza. Seriously, irresistible cheese. Just heat and eat. I like the sound of that. Heat and eat. Makes life nice and simple. So let's see. This is what it looks like. I'll have to get a view of that. Smells like cheese, like pizza. Let's see how it's gonna taste. So you can see the cheese in it. Let's see. The Big MOO. Skillet and grill it. Just heat and eat. And as a result, you got yourself your cheese is nice and hot, and that crust there, that pizza-like crust. So the reason I hesitated to say whether I liked the taste of it, I just wanted to make sure that, because I like pizza, and I just want to make sure that about this. So they're calling this the Big MOO cheesy pizza flavor, which it delivers on. So you like cheese, you like pizza, they go together. This is it. Just skillet and grill it and skillet, heat and eat. What could be simpler than that?